Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to see transactions on Cash App. So, really easy and simple whether it's payment sent, received, or pending. You just want to go ahead and first open up Cash App, go to the Activity tab. Okay, you'll find this at the bottom right. Here you'll see a list of all your past transactions, right? Payments, deposit, withdrawals, refunds. And if you want to go ahead and see more details about a specific transaction, you can just go ahead and tap on any payment or deposit from the list, and a new screen will open up showing a details such as date and time of the transaction, right? The amount sent or received, the payment method used, either a cash app balance, debit card, and the transaction status, whether it's completed, sending, failed, the sender or recipient details, right? Things like this. And if a payment is pending, it may require manual approval or be waiting for processing. And if you want, you can also go ahead and download the transaction history. This is optional. You can just go to the Cash App on a web browser, log into your account, click on statements, and then just choose the desired month. And then you can go ahead and download the statement as a PDF or a CSV file for your records. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.